Hey, happy Monday.
Now that you've got your work from home routine established, what should you be working on? We're sharing marketing tips and tactics for every department in this week's Monday Marketing Minute. Jill and I are on week 6 or 7 of social distancing, so we're pretty thankful to have the Monday Marketing Minute. I'm not sure we'd know what day it is without it.
Couldn't have said it better myself, Freddie. Outside of not knowing exactly what day it is, I think it's fair to say we've both had moments where we maybe weren't sure what to work on next.
Yeah, and as you can see, I've been working on my mustache. Why? Because you would too if you could. But in all seriousness, what should you be working on during a pandemic or a downturn?
According to our coworkers, there's absolutely no shortage of work to be done right now. From content marketing to PPC and CRO work, there's always something that can be tested, iterated on, produced, or planned for.
For example, Jill and I work in content marketing and SEO. Right now, we're working with clients to keep our long-term plans intact because SEO is all about the long game. We're also helping our amazing clients monitor year-over-year Google Trends to gauge demands for information and services. We're seeing a spike in demand for informational queries across the board as people are trying to do it themselves at home, and mixed results for transactional queries. These insights can help you determine what type of content to produce and which services are worth promoting during this time.
Correct. And we're also meeting our clients' immediate needs by creating content that can be disseminated through other channels like social and paid.
Yeah, and PPC is super important to weathering the storm, but it's also important to recovering after a downturn. Our PPC team recommends shifting your current ads to focus on the now, but planning for recovery by determining what campaigns will be most important to relaunch later.
Design, CRO, UX, everyone can play a role in planning for the future.
But Jill, they're going to have to check out the blog to learn more because we're all out of time.
Freddie said it, not me. Check out our blog and let us know what you think in the comments.
Bye-bye.